You don't need a huge farm to grow lots of cucumbers. You can grow dozens of them in one single pot on a terrace. If you've been searching for the best cucumber for pots, you're in the right place. Most gardeners fail when growing cucumbers in pots. Why? Because the soil dries out in the heat and the plant gives up. But I found a genius trick to stop that from happening. First, pick a pot or trough that is at least 25 centimeters wide and deep. This year I'm using a big 60 centimeter trough on my terrace. But here's the problem. Terrace gets hot sun. That heat makes the water vanish from the soil super fast. And cucumbers, they need constant moisture to grow big and tasty. If the soil dries out even for one day, your cucumbers will get stressed and the fruits will turn bitter. This is one of the biggest challenges when growing cucumbers in pots. But don't worry, I've got a simple fix. So how do we keep the soil wet without watering every single hour? My secret weapon is cardboard. Just cut a hole in the middle for your cucumber stem, then poke some extra holes with a knife so water can get through. Now, lay that cardboard flat on top of the compost like a blanket. Water it really well. The cardboard blocks the sun from baking the soil. It traps the moisture underneath. Add a few heavy stones on top so the wind doesn't steal your cardboard. Here is another pro tip for terrace gardeners. Place your pot or trough inside a bigger container or add a big tray underneath. Why? Because when you water, the extra water collects in that tray. Then, when the soil gets dry, the roots reach down and drink from the tray all by themselves. It's like a self-drinking system for your cucumber. Now, cucumbers are climbers. They love to go up. I add some bamboo canes and tie wire between them to make a trellis. This saves space and keeps the fruits clean and off the ground. Look at this, just 1 week later. The plant doubled in size and started grabbing the trellis like a little monkey. It's so exciting to watch. To keep the energy going, I add organic tomato feed once a week. Cucumbers love it. And every week I cut off the bottom leaves and any damaged leaves. This is super important. It helps the plant to send all the energy to make fruit. Now, the biggest mistake people make. They plant the wrong variety. Those long cucumbers from the supermarket take too much space and don't do well in pots. So if you're looking for the best cucumber for pots, you need to choose wisely. For pots and troughs, you want pickling varieties, small fruit that are sweet, crunchy and grow fast. When it comes to the best cucumber varieties for containers, my absolute favorite is called Polan. It's a medium early variety that produces fruit very consistently. This plant is a beast. It fights off diseases and gives me up to 4 fruit every single day. This year I also tried another variety called Hocus. But guess what? After just 1 week, Polan completely took over. It grew faster and bigger than Hocus. Polan is the clear winner. And here is the best part, especially if you're growing cucumbers in pots in the UK. Polan keeps producing fruits all the way until the beginning of October. That means you can actually plant it even in the beginning of August and still get a great harvest. This makes it one of the best cucumber varieties for UK gardens. Most cucumber varieties are done by September, but Polan just keeps going and going. So if you miss the spring planting window, don't worry, you still have time. And that's how you grow a cucumber jungle in one pot on your terrace. It's simple, it works, and you don't need a big garden. If this video helped you with growing cucumbers in pots, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next gardening hack. And please let me know what are your favorite cucumber varieties for containers.